morning and welcome back to Colombia. I'm still in Medellin, but heading out to Guatapé today to see the Piedra del Penol. I'm very excited. I'm actually joining a tour, so it's going to be very relaxing for me. They're going to take us around the town of Guatapé, also up the rock in the middle of the town. It's going to be spectacular views. Maybe you haven't seen a picture of that place yet, but you'll see in this video. It's definitely worth the trip, about 2 hours with the bus. They're about to pick us up, so let's get this day started. So we have now made it to the waters of Guatapé. We've just been on this lake, had a little boat ride around. They actually flooded this whole place. There was a town here before called El Penol, and they just destroyed it and flooded the whole area for energy. But we are going around on our boat and looking at different houses on the shore. There's also an old house that was owned by Pablo Escobar. It's burned out now. Then our guide decided to fly his drone around the area. He lost contact and had to land his drone on the house of Pablo Escobar, and he went in to go and get his drone, and he was so happy to get it. So here's a little clip of that. It was just too funny. Hey. Oh my God. Alright, now we're at a place where they replicated the old village they destructed here. So let's have a look around, and then I think we're gonna head to Guatapé itself and also up the big rock. Alright, we have reached the top of this huge rock. Check these views. Next up, we visited the town of Guatapé, which is a major tourist attraction in itself and not far at all from the big rock. Guatapé is famous for its coffee and the so-called zócalos. These are uniquely painted tiles which can be found at the walls of almost every building in town. Usually this town sees many visitors, but due to the pandemic it was very empty and we almost had it all to ourselves. I remember that it was getting pretty hot at this point, and we decided to end the tour with a swim in one of the nearby lakes. And that's another action-packed day in the books. I loved everything about today, from the drone landing on Pablo Escobar's villa to the huge rock to the beautiful town of Guatapé and finishing it with a splash, jumping in the beautiful lake there. Had a great day, great tour today, and tomorrow we are exploring more of Medellin. So the adventures continue. Thank you very much for watching today, and I'll see you in the next video.